This $1,200 transparent PC case is literally cooking your GPU, and nobody caught it. Thermal camera just showed a 15-degree spike the moment you flip it on. So basically, you're paying 8 times more for the exact same performance, but your graphics card's melting inside a glass prison. Here's the crazy part though. The airflow design is backwards on purpose. Hot air gets trapped at the top, GPU thermal throttles within minutes, and suddenly your FPS tanks hard. They ranked their own case mid to federal crime thermals and still charged $1,000. This isn't a feature, it's planned obsolescence in slow motion. Your GPU dies faster, you buy a new one, they sell you another glass box. Federal crime, energy, honestly. Facebook has a behind the scenes version of this. Search Zapped on Facebook Reels. Am I cooked for thinking this? Comment below.